Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside the subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I've uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, if you enjoy my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. Supposedly that helps on the YouTube platform. YouTube supposedly is supposed to put our videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet us yet, but they do enjoy this type of content if you guys are telling YouTube through the thumbs up that you're enjoying the content. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today we're trying a different type of setup because I wanted to show some of the products up close because I'm really not familiar with majority of them, actually all but one. So this is the IPSY mystery bag that showed up pretty close after I did my choice items and the add-ons. And I didn't do any add-ons this time. So when the mystery bag showed up so quickly right after the choices at the beginning of April, I decided to give it a whirl because I got very lucky with the SWAK Sealed with a Kiss mystery bag that was $30. This one is the $14, which is the normal range for the mystery bag. So we're going to go through it together. I did pull everything out of the bag because we do take the picture for Instagram first, and then I'm going to be able to show you everything a little bit more up close and personal because of the way the camera is set up this way. So we have here the bag that it came in. It's completely different the material than the one that came in the April bag. That was more canvas. This feels more polyester, but the design on this is just beautiful, and this teal color is really exceptional. We also have the cutest tag here. That's the zipper pull that looks like a leaf, which is just beautiful. And then when you open it up, inside here, it has a saying, and it says the outer fabric is made from plastic bottles. That's why I didn't know what that was. Then we have the little decal that's in it here from IPSY, and again it's fully lined. But how cool is that? So this is a really unique bag, and I'm happy now, even just for the bag, that we received that here. So I'm going to put that up front here so that we'll be able to keep our eyes on it during this, so we'll know that this is all about the IPSY bag. Outside of the bag, they came with two really unique masks. This one here is the one that we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to show you there's two of them. They're exactly the same, and we'll put one over here for now. But you know what, let's line it up against the here. We should be, yeah. All right, so here, as you can see on the bag here, it's saying it's a hydrating, firming, and brightening, and they're saying it's almost a mix yourself. It has a mixing tray in here. Then it says step 1 is it says hyaluronic acid, and step 2 they're saying is an activating powder, and it's coming with a spatula. It says it's good for all skin types, and if we turn it over here, it's pretty much gives us the instructions of how to do this. So this is really something really unique. I'm happy that they gave two because, like I said, I think this is so unique and fun that if you have a second person who's living with you, this might be a fun spa day to do, the two of you. So really excited about this product. And like I said, I'm happy that there were two in here. The next item that is in here is one that I'm familiar with and one that I recommend. So this is going to go into a future giveaway. This is the Superhero Mascara that is from IT Cosmetics. This is the second mascara that they came out with. And this one is one that is truly a really unique, beautiful mascara. I'm going to see if I can open this without tearing something. Yeah, perfect. So here we go. That's exactly the before and after. So they're saying these are real results. They're saying that it transforms your lashes, and it's a lash changing power brush that wraps every lash from the base to the tips. This is a mascara that is just so unique, and it also is, I really enjoy both mascaras from IT Cosmetics. The first one that was called the Hello. It had that ball at the end that was very similar to a very, very high-end brand that I loved for the lower lashes. But the formula in this one is really, really beautiful. So like I said, those are the results that you can get from this. So like I said, this is one that I've used, enjoyed, and repurchased and have plenty of. So I'm going to leave that here, and it will, like I said, go in for a future giveaway. The next item in here is from this brand that I'm not familiar with, and it is called CUCCIO, and it says for the love of color, for the love of color, for the love of color on the back. And then on this side here, it's saying it's a nail polish, and it's simply saying for the love of color on it. So we'll leave this guy right here, and this is the color that I received. So I guess it's called For the Love of Color, and that's the color that we received here. So it's a full size nail polish, so that's really nice. Let's see if we can keep this all inside the camera range. Perfect. All right, the next item is a hair product, and the only way that I know that is because I'm familiar with this brand, and this brand is called R&Co, and it's called Waterfall, and this says on here that it is a moisture and shine lotion. So this is a sample size of this. And then the last item that we received in the bag is a brand that I'm not familiar with. So it's one that I'm going to have to look up. And when I looked on the back, which I'm going to show you as well, it says it is from this brand called Filorga. It's a Parisian brand, and it says it's called the Hydro Filler. And they're saying it is a Pro Youth Moisturize Care. And on the front here, you'll see there's the French and then the English. But when we turned it over to see if I can get more information on this, because like I said, I wasn't that familiar with it. And let's see if I can get this so that you guys can read it too. There's no English on the back. So like I said, before using this or, taking it out of the tube, I'm going to read some more information on it and see what this is all about. So the only hint that we know what this is it says it's a Pro Youth Moisturizer Care. So I'm assuming it's for the face, but like I said, I'm really not that sure. So I am going to do some more research on this. So this is still available. It went out of stock pretty quickly. And then when I looked in today before I started filming, I wanted to make sure that it was still available for you guys, because as you know, I'm not a big fan of showing you guys when things aren't available, when it's not something that is a subscription box. So this is what we're calling the mystery bag for April 2021. Like I said, before I started filming, I made sure and it was still available. It did go out of stock, so if you went in initially and you didn't see it available, so did I. And then when I went in now, just before the filming, it is all of a sudden popped right back up. I also, when I went in, saw that there was a pop-up sale going on. So I immediately filmed that first so that you guys would have access to that. And I was in shock because I don't get any emails from IPSY when their sales are going on. So a lot of times I luck out by checking for reviews or going into the IPSY site for the shopper, and then all of a sudden I'll see something on the front page. And today what I saw was the pop-up sale. So I was in absolute shock. So this came later in the day, so I decided to film it this way. But with that said, like I said, I was able to post 2 videos today. So if you haven't seen it, the new the new e.l.f. cosmetic Jen Atkins, who's the founder of Way. That is a phenomenal video. So if you haven't had the chance to see that yet, that's 2 beautiful palettes in light medium and medium deep. I swatched both. I gave you all my clues of how I do all my, shopping for deals and things like that, and how I was able to get some dollars back from it and things like that. So that's a video I definitely highly recommend that you watch. That's the e.l.f. collab with Jen Atkins. So beautiful, the 2 palettes, and I swatched them both for you guys. And then right after that pop-up sale happened, and so I made sure to film that. So there's 2 videos that went up on the same day, which is not the normal for me. But I wanted to make sure that you guys wouldn't miss out on the pop-up, because a lot of the items in there, they were 2 for $5, which I've only seen previously in flash sales. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. And like I said, later in the day, this package came, and because it's still available, I wanted to film it quickly to be able to get it up for you guys, so that if you wanted this is the $14 mystery bag for April, and with this unique bag that's made out of the recycled bottles. So as always, guys, you know, if I find something and there's a deal, I want to make sure to be able to share it with you. That's why I started the channel. And you guys, I appreciate so much. We are getting so close to that 2K. So if you, like I said, like my content, share with me in my comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys, and share my channel. That will help me grow even more, and it's the encouragement from you guys that has me continuing to do this day after day after day. So as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take out any time of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, we have to all continue to stay safe, to stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.